Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to sign out or log out of your Gmail account on the Gmail app. So if you have an iOS device, maybe it's an iPad or iPhone, it could be a variety of different things, but I'm going to show you guys how to sign out of it or unsync it up. So it should be a pretty straightforward process, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. Just go ahead and select your user profile up in the top right when you're signed into the app. Go ahead and select Manage Accounts on this device. Go ahead and select your email address from this list. Select Remove Account. Removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from the phone. Select Remove Account, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.